a bless, it have to be more, not less. So gone and I'm gone and I'm gone and I'm gone and I'm gone.
Again, today we're gonna see if we can do this muffler drum on this VW Touran. So now the muffler drum is up. So we have to cut it here to join it, you know. So we have to remove this piece, cut it there, fit in that, tighten up muffler drum, muffler pan or box is ready to go. So now we're gonna put some gum around it before we tighten it up. Just put a little around the spots where you know it can blow through, and that's it. You're tightening down, you know, and then good to go. So now it's sealed, so I'm gonna tighten the clamp.
Your violence and your crime leave the whole world in shame. You don't know what life is worth, killing off the boys and the girls, saying that you run the place, but you're only a big disgrace. But Joe will, Jaja giving you a beaten, oh beaten. Jaja giving you a beaten.
So that is how you do the muffler, and it is all ready to go. Brand new muffler drum, muffler pan.
Time and
So
space, so
that is
take
the
it
old one.
easy.
It break
Before you do things, you
up in
got
the
to
neck
make
here.
it. But
So you
what
have to
goes
replace
around
it, you
comes
know.
around. You got to change before you will
So
be
that is
found.
how you
Never
do
give your
it.
blame or be
I'm out.
pretend.
So now the muffler pan is on. So we're gonna start it and hear how it sounds. And it is good to go.